Hello, this is Dimitris from Ajuna Network, and today we're going to see together how we can generate, how we can scaffold the projects that we need in order to be able to interact with a Substrate node using .NET. So to my left, on the left side of my screen, we can see that I've opened the Ajuna SDK repo, where we can find the instructions of how to get started. We start by first spinning up a local Substrate node. In order to do that, I have checked out the Substrate project. We will be using the monthly release of November 2022. You can see it here. And now I'm going to spin up the node. So as you can see, the node is now running. So let's get now to our code generation part. So here I have opened a new terminal where I am in an empty folder, as you can see. And what I'm going to do is that I'm first going to install the Ajuna.NET template. Once the template is installed, which just happened, we're going to proceed with generating the necessary projects. In order to do that, you can see the two commands that we need. First, we need the .NET new SLN command, which creates the initial solution, which will get the name of the folder that the solution is being created in. And then we're going to execute the one and only command that we need in order to generate our projects and solution. So, as you can see here, there are actually five parameters that you can define. The first one is the SDK version. I'm using the 0126 now, which is the newest one at the time of this recording. Then we have like the option of giving specific names, so the names that we want to the separate projects of our solution. I will keep the default for now, and the last one is the WebSocket URL, which is the URL of the locally running Substrate node. So let's do it. I'm copying the command. I'm simply pasting it into, in our command line and executing it. So you can also see. So as you can see, the background, the files are also being generated. So we now can see all the generated projects that were created by our SDK. We have the Net API Ext, which is extending the Net API, the original Net API library with the models, the node-specific models, and then we have both the REST service and the REST client. Since the SDK offers the ability to either contact the blockchain node directly using the .NET client, the REST client that we can see here, or you can use the Net client in order to contact the service layer, which is here depicted by the Ajuna example REST service, and then the service layer talks with the node. So now we're ready to get started building on top of Substrate with .NET.